Hello everyone and welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. It's me again, Jen, and I'm going to show you how to make crema de fruta. First thing that we're going to do is to separate the egg yolk and the egg white. So I'm gently separating them. Make sure that the bowl is clean and there will be no traces of egg yolk from the egg white, because if there is, the meringue will not expand. On a separate bowl, I'm going to beat the egg yolks. Then we're going to combine the vegetable oil, 3/4 cup water, and 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it all together until well combined. On another bowl, I'm going to whisk the self-raising flour, white sugar, baking powder, and salt. Now it's time to combine the dry and wet ingredients. So I'm just gonna pour the mixture into the dry ingredients and whisk it together. This is done. This is the consistency that we want. So I'm gonna set this aside. Next, we're going to make the meringue. I'm going to beat the egg whites using a handheld electric mixer at low speed. When the egg white becomes frothy and pale white, add the cream of tartar. I'm going to continue mixing this at medium speed. Now I'm going to gradually add the sugar while I'm mixing it, and I will beat this until soft peaks form. Okay, so this is the consistency that I want. I'm going to stop here. Next, I will start folding 1/3 of the meringue into the batter. Be gentle when you fold it to avoid breaking the air bubbles. Add half of the remaining meringue and continue to fold it. Finally, I'm adding the remaining meringue, and I will continue to fold this until no more white streaks remain. I've prepared two 9x5-inch loaf pan with parchment paper, so I'm going to pour the butter into the loaf pan. Now I've placed the loaf pan in a larger pan, and I'm going to put water on the larger pan. It's hot water, and this is called water bath. This will make the sponge cake soft and moist. I'm going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. To make the crema, heat a pan over low heat, then add the egg yolks. Combine the evaporated milk and condensed milk. I'm also adding half tablespoon of vanilla extract. Stir until everything is well combined. Add 1.5 tablespoons of flour and continue to mix this until no more lumps and the sauce is thick and smooth. Okay, so this is what we want to achieve. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and I will let it cool. Using another bowl, I'm going to beat the all-purpose cream until soft peaks form. Then I will add the egg and milk mixture, and I will continue to mix this until it's well incorporated. So here's our sponge cake. It is cooked, it's nice and soft. I'm going to take it out from the loaf pan and I will peel off the parchment paper and allow it to cool down for at least 5 minutes. Then I will slice the cake horizontally to make it into 2 pieces. To arrange the crema de fruta, I'm going to place one piece of the cake on a serving tray. And I'm going to spread about 2 tablespoons of the cream or the crema. I will spread it evenly. Next, I'm going to add some fruit pieces on top. You can use canned fruit cocktail or fresh fruits if you like. Then I'm going to put the second piece of the cake. Pour more crema on top and also on the side and spread it evenly. Add more fruit pieces and you can decorate this as much as you like. When it's done, I'm going to put this inside the refrigerator for at least an hour before serving. Here's our crema de fruta cake. Now I'm gonna try it. It is soft and moist. Look at that cream. It is so good and delicious. That's our final product. That's the delicious crema de fruta. I hope you can try this recipe and click on subscribe. Tap the bell icon so you can receive notification when we have new video. Thank you guys for watching. Follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1. Visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com to get the full recipe and also to see the tips that I'm also going to provide on our website. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!